So yeah, at the moment we're heading down to the beach. We're just going to go have a look at the surf waves, just to really upset ourselves probably about how small and absolutely pathetic they are when it's such a beautiful sunny day here with no wind. So like if there were waves, if there was swell, it'd be pure glass. There'd be lots of guys out there, we'd get great photos. Okay, we're here come down the beach. It's actually a surf comp on, unbelievably, and okay waves. So we're going to do some surf shots and stuff, and looks like it's going to be all right. Good day. See if we can get some interviews later. Hey, we're here with the ladies who've just been out in their surfing heat. We did some photos with the Sony lens, hopefully it's good. So how are conditions out there today?
Pretty good. Nice. Nice waves coming through, really warm.
Okay, it's quite warm, beautiful day, nice waves coming through, and pretty clean today too. Yeah. So when sets came through, they looked alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, is there much aggro and hustle out there between the sets? Or no, you guys look like you're all good friends.
We're sharing the love here.
Oh, sharing the love, that's excellent. Okay then, thanks for that, ladies. Just wave to everyone that's going to see this. Alright, great, thanks. Okay, so we've been here today doing surf photos with the Sony setup. We've got the A99 42 megapixels, so we're hoping we can zoom crop the images, because although we've got the 70 to 200 2.8 sports lens with a 2x adapter, which is giving us like 140 to 400. Even with 400 out there, they're a really long way away. So in the viewfinder when we zoomed in, unfortunately they don't look super clear. We'll see how it goes in Photoshop. We also made a mistake because we were going to be doing the car photos, which I think we'll still do today, but we had this set in RAW plus JPEG, which was taking a long time to write to the SD card. We should have been on extra fine. We only kind of noticed that at the end. Oops, learning curve again. Alright, so yeah, these are the photos we got. Have a look at them in the slideshow. settings before we go. Shooting at 1/1600. Because of the 2x adapter and a 2.8 lens, 5.6 is the most open we can get. And then the ISO, we were just letting the camera take care of that with auto ISO. So just 1/1600, 5.6 auto ISO.
Double bank at the moment, but
so it's a real surprise, that surfing comp. We only stayed there for about an hour, see what sort of pictures we get. So now we're back in the 8.6 and we're driving from Cape Shank to Flinders. We've just been at Gunnamatta Beach before that. Now hopefully here we're going to get into the real curvy sections. This is a great piece of road to drive in this car, as long as you don't have other traffic in the way. So we'll see how we go.